The Peugeot 3008's passenger compartment remained stable in the frontal offset crash test. Dummy readings showed good protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and front passenger. Peugeot confirmed that this level of protection applies to occupants of various sizes and seating positions. Data from the impact trolley and the deformable barrier indicated that the 3008 would be a moderately forgiving collision partner in frontal crashes. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection was rated good or adequate for all key body areas of both the driver and rear passenger. In side impact tests, including the more severe side pole test, the 3008 provided good protection for all critical body regions, earning maximum points in this category. However, the control of excursion, how far a body moves toward the other side in a far side impact, was rated marginal, and the vehicle lacks features to reduce occupant-to-occupant injuries in such scenarios. Tests on the front seats and head restraints showed good protection against whiplash in rear-end collisions, and rear seat geometry analysis confirmed similarly strong whiplash protection. The 3008 includes an advanced e-call system that contacts emergency services after a crash, as well as a feature to prevent secondary collisions. Peugeot also demonstrated that the doors remain operable in the event of submersion, allowing occupants to escape. The Peugeot 3008 earned maximum points for child protection in both the frontal offset and side barrier tests, with all critical body areas well protected for both child dummies. The front passenger airbag can be switched off to safely install a rear-facing child seat, and the system clearly informs the driver of the airbag's status, earning additional credit. However, the 3008 lacks a child presence detection system, which alerts others if a child is left in the vehicle. All compatible child restraint systems could be correctly installed and securely fitted in the car. Head protection for pedestrians or cyclists hit by the vehicle was mostly good or adequate, though weak spots were found at the windscreen pillars and both the top and base of the windscreen. Pelvis protection was rated good across all test points. The same high rating applied to the femur, knee, and tibia. The Peugeot 3008's autonomous emergency braking system detects vulnerable road users, including pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, as well as other vehicles. It delivered adequate performance in pedestrian tests, responded well to cyclists, and showed good results with motorcyclists. The autonomous emergency braking system performed adequately in tests involving other vehicles. A seatbelt reminder is standard for both front and rear seats, but the rear seats lack occupant detection and do not meet Euro NCAP requirements. The car includes a standard indirect driver monitoring system that detects fatigue but not distraction. The lane support system makes gentle steering corrections when the car drifts and can intervene in more critical scenarios. The speed assistance system recognizes local speed limits, and the driver can opt to let it automatically set the speed limiter.